Good morning, everyone. Welcome to June 28th Market Minute. I'm John Hopkins, President of Invested Central. Right now, we got the Dow futures down 77, the S&P futures are down 6, and NASDAQ futures are down 12. Asian shares were mixed while European shares were lower overnight. Futures were fairly flat ahead of the bell on Wednesday as traders awaited fresh economic news. Both durable goods and pending home sales reports came out better than expected, helping to move the market higher. By the time the market closed, all of the major indexes had advanced higher. Today we'll get weekly jobless claims at 8:30 a.m. with the market looking for a reading of 385,000 claims. We'll also get GDP third estimate for the first quarter with the market looking for a reading of 1.9%. We'll get earnings today from Accenture of Family Dollar, Nike, and Research in Motion. On the S&P, we've got the 20-day moving average at 1328, the 50-day at 1341, and the 200-day at 1297. The S&P closed at 1331 with support at 1308 and resistance at 1341. The bulls got the upper hand on Wednesday but still struggled to make progress with the S&P at the same level it was back on May 15th. In between, there's been a lot of back and forth, but the bottom line is a market going nowhere fast. With the European summit on tap, the Supreme Court set to rule on health care, and fresh economic reports coming out the next few days, can the bulls finally move the S&P to a new near-term high? If so, they will first need to clear the recent high of 1363. To the downside, the 200-day, currently at 1297, looms large. Join Tom Bowley later today for a live webinar as he discusses the volatility index, the VIX, how it correlates to the S&P 500 performance over time. For more information, just write to me, john@investedcentral.com. This is John Hopkins. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another Market Minute.